Hello friends, I am Dr. Arpana and you are watching my YouTube channel Preventive Healthcare at drarpana.com. So here I will discuss with you some tips for a healthy lifestyle so that you can enjoy optimal health. So the topic that I have chosen today is eye troubles for children. When a child is born, the vision of the child is just limited to see the object which are kept just near to the eye. Now, as the child grows, the vision also develops. For example, the depth perception, the eye-body coordination, the eye-hand coordination, all these things develop. So, to elicit any trouble at the early childhood years is quite tricky. Let me tell you one very interesting case. A child came to my clinic. The child was 2 years, 7 months old. And the parents came saying that they think that their child is suffering from some attention deficit disorder. Now, why so? Because the child was impulsive. He will not finish his work. He will not pay attention to whatever work he is doing. He is clumsy and just he will just not pay attention to whatever is being told to him or he is supposed to do, even if it is playing anything. So this was the thing, and they are thinking that it is some kind of attention deficit disorder. Now, on thorough examination, it was found out that the child was having refractive error. So it was that vision problem which was the reason for his behavior. So now you can understand that the behavior of the child is actually dependent on how better he can see the things. Let me tell you certain signs and symptoms which will let you to understand whether the child is having some problem or not. Like if there is frequent rubbing of the eye, if the child always prefer to hold the book very close to the eye, if there is some kind of frowning or squinting of the eye like this while watching the TV, if the child always prefers sitting just next to the TV to watch the favorite cartoon or the movie, if there is watering from the eye, if there is redness of the eye, even the child might also complain of frequent headache. So if all these things are there, then you must consider a routine eye examination of the child. Now, like if the child needs some kind of corrective glasses, you have to get that. So now what next? Obviously you would like the vision to develop. Obviously you would like the child to preserve the vision and also improve the vision. So here now I will tell you certain ingredients. If you incorporate those into the diet of your child, and even like as a general also in your family also, if you all start eating all those things, then it will be very helpful for the eye. So the first is carotene. The first is carrot. Carrot is very rich in beta carotene, and beta carotene is helpful in manufacturing of vitamin A, and it is very helpful for the eye. And let me tell you that vitamin A deficiency is the main cause of blindness in India. Then coming down to all the leafy greens like spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, collard green, kale, all of them are very rich in carotenoids and very good for the eye, very good for preserving the vision. It will protect your eye from macular degeneration, it will protect the retina, and overall for the overall improvement and for the overall health of your eye, it is very good. Then milk and milk products, cottage cheese full of vitamin D, very good for the eye. One more thing, chicken liver. Chicken liver is also very beneficial for the eye. Then coming down to egg, especially the yolk part, is very good for the eye, and it should be just cooked, not overcooked. Like you can give the egg in the form of soft boiled egg or curdled egg or even poached egg. All of them are very good for the eye. Then vitamin C from all kind of citrus fruits like oranges, then your Indian gooseberry, then your custard apple and dragon fruit, then peppers like red and green pepper, they are good for the eye. So if in general you try eating all these things and giving all these things to your kid, then the vision is going to be preserved and the eyesight will also eventually improve. So now to know about the interesting recipes that you can actually give, like I said chicken liver, or how to make that perfect egg, or even how to give carrot in different ways, carrot juice, or giving it fresh. Do not cook it, or just try to give the ingredients as fresh as possible. So if you want to know about those, just visit my diet and nutrition column, and do subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your family and your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Namaste.